It's a spectacular sight and it had tourists on the hop. Mount Etna erupting in dramatic fashion, the world's most active volcano putting on quite the show.
What if one of the world's most famous volcanoes is slowly collapsing right now? And what if scientists discovered that part of this massive mountain is actually sliding toward the Mediterranean Sea? Recent research suggests that Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, may be moving, not erupting, not exploding, moving. And what researchers found beneath the water-shocked, even experienced geologists. Because this isn't just about a volcano, it's about a mountain that may be slowly losing its balance. Mount Etna has always been known for its powerful eruptions and constant activity. Located on the Italian island of Sicily, the volcano stands more than 300 meters tall and has been active for hundreds of thousands of years. Millions of people live in nearby towns and cities. For them, Etna is both a danger and a part of daily life. Fertile volcanic soil supports agriculture. Tourism brings economic benefits, but the risk is always present. Now scientists are studying something different from eruptions. They are studying movement. Not fast movement, but slow, steady shifting of the volcano's structure itself. And what they discovered suggests Etna may be gradually sliding toward the sea. The discovery came from a combination of satellite monitoring and underwater sensors placed along the volcano's southeastern flank. Scientists had long suspected that gravity might be slowly pulling part of the volcano downward. But for years, they lacked precise measurements from the seafloor. That changed when researchers installed underwater tracking equipment capable of detecting movements of just a few millimeters. What they found confirmed their suspicions. Part of Mount Etna is slowly moving eastward toward the Ionian Sea. Measurements suggest movement of several centimeters per year in some areas. That might sound small, but for a mountain, it is significant because mountains are supposed to be stable. And when a volcano moves, scientists want to know why. Researchers believe several forces may be responsible. First is gravity. Mount Etna is enormous. Over time, the sheer weight of the volcano can cause its flanks to spread outward, especially where the base meets weaker rock layers. Second is magma movement. When molten rock rises underground, it can push surrounding structures outward, slowly deforming the volcano's shape. Third is the structure beneath the volcano itself. Some scientists believe part of Etna rests on layers of softer sediment, which may allow gradual sliding over geological time. But perhaps the most surprising discovery was that the movement appears to continue even when magma pressure is low. That suggests gravity may play a larger role than previously believed. And that realization changed how researchers think about Etna's long-term stability. This is where the research becomes especially important. Scientists are not saying a collapse is imminent. There is no evidence that a major structural failure is about to happen. But understanding slow movement helps scientists evaluate long-term risks. Large volcanic flank collapses have happened before in Earth's history. These events can reshape landscapes and, in rare cases, generate ocean disturbances if large volumes of rock enter the water. However, researchers emphasize that Etna's movement appears gradual and is being closely monitored. The purpose of this research is prevention and understanding. By measuring the volcano's behavior now, scientists can improve hazard models and better understand how volcanoes evolve over time. What surprised many researchers was not just that Etna is moving. It was where the movement is being measured. Previous monitoring focused mainly on land-based instruments, but underwater sensors revealed that deformation continues beneath the sea. This confirmed that the entire volcanic flank, not just the visible portion, may be involved in the slow shift. That kind of discovery is important because it changes how volcanic stability is evaluated worldwide. If underwater movement plays a larger role than expected, scientists may need to rethink monitoring strategies for other coastal volcanoes. Surprisingly, slow spreading is not unique to Mount Etna. Several large volcanoes around the world show similar behavior, especially those built from layers of lava and ash over long periods. These structures can behave more like stacked layers than solid rock. Over thousands of years, spreading and settling can occur naturally. What makes Etna special is how well it is monitored. Because it is one of the most studied volcanoes on Earth, researchers can observe changes that might go unnoticed elsewhere. This makes Etna something like a natural laboratory for understanding volcanic processes. For people living near Etna, the most important question is simple: is this dangerous? According to scientists, there is no immediate reason for alarm. The movement being measured is extremely slow and part of long-term geological processes. Local authorities already have extensive monitoring systems in place, including seismic sensors, GPS measurements, and satellite observations. These systems help provide early warning if volcanic behavior changes significantly. Researchers emphasize that the goal of this work is awareness, not fear. Understanding how a volcano behaves is the best way to reduce risk. Scientists plan to continue monitoring Mount Etna using both land and underwater instruments. Future research may include more detailed seafloor mapping, improved satellite tracking, computer simulations of long-term structural behavior. Each new dataset helps improve understanding of how large volcanoes change over time. And the more scientists learn, the better prepared communities can be. Because volcano science isn't just about eruptions. It's about understanding how these massive structures live, change, and evolve. Mount Etna has always been known as one of Earth's most active volcanoes. But this new research shows something equally fascinating. Even when it is not erupting, it is still changing, still moving, still evolving. The discovery that part of Etna may be slowly shifting toward the sea doesn't mean disaster is coming, but it does remind us of something important about our planet. Earth is never truly still. Mountains rise, volcanoes grow, and sometimes even giants move. And as scientists continue watching Mount Etna, one thing remains certain: the story of this volcano is far from over.